Welcome to BCED 2020 Online. Today, we'll be making a boat. You'll need aluminum foil, popsicle sticks, paper or cardboard, tape, and somewhere to sail your boat. We'll start off by shortening 2 popsicle sticks by about an inch. Then, you'll make a frame for the boat by taping the ends of 4 full-length popsicle sticks together. It should look like a square. You'll take a 5th stick and divide the boat in half, taping it on the inside to provide support. Tape another stick perpendicular to this one, pointing up for the sail. The 2 shortened sticks from earlier will form a triangle at the front of the boat. Next, you'll cut a piece of tin foil to be a few inches longer than your boat and begin wrapping it around the bottom of the frame. Then, you'll cut 1 or 2 triangles out of paper or cardboard and tape it to the stick pointing up. This will be your sail. You can also add a little passenger like we did. You can even give your boat a fun name. We named ours SS SWE. The final step is to prepare a pool of water to test out your boat. We filled a bucket with water. A fun way to test how strong your boat is by filling it with coins until it starts to sink, and whoever can fill their boat with the most coins wins. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us on all our social media accounts and subscribe for more fun STEM activities you can do at home.